Here we are at the end of week 1 at our Vermont Street renovation. The electricians have been here for 2 days running wiring, but we spent the bulk of our time on the structural. So I have a beam going from here to the exterior, holding up another beam that's holding up the ceiling and the roof for this span of 19 feet. It's quite a lot of work with atypical materials for sure. We've got a unique strap from Simpson Strong Tie that's holding things up, and it's fantastic. Obviously, the walls are gone, so with all the structure in the attic, we can now remove that. The electricians have had to cut and fix, and so much work to get the electrical up to current standards, but it's going to be nice and bright in here. We're ready to install the door, and we have a new window going in the kitchen as well because we have cabinetry coming along this side. So it'll be a nice balanced look out in the backyard, and I'm pretty excited about where we are and where we're going.